Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. So while I have your attention for the next 7 minutes and 20 seconds, I'm going to show you 3 ways to effectively disinfect and clean your makeup brushes. Stay tuned.
Dedicated to my dedication, push straight through, no zigzag. Those who hated on me praying I never make it, now I got them big mad. Now I got them big mad.
So I'm starting off step 1. I have this old vase. I'm going to fill that up with hot water. Don't be alarmed. You're not going to submerge your brushes in this hot water just yet. I'm going to go ahead and add some Dawn dishwashing liquid. I'm using the gentle one because I love it because it's super concentrated. A little bit of vinegar, a couple drops of extra virgin olive oil, and some more dish soap. I was using palm olive. I'm going to go ahead and mix that all together. And now, since it has cooled down a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add my makeup brushes. Now, I love this method for my face brushes, like my foundation brushes, my blush brushes, and anytime I'm using any type of cream contouring, I love to clean my brushes this way. I think it gets them super duper clean, so I love this method right here. So next, I'm going to move on and show you how I clean my beauty blenders. Now we're going to do the same steps, but this time we are going to actually submerge our beauty blenders in that hot water. So I'm using an old ice cream bucket, and you see all my dirty beauty blenders here. So I'm gonna fill this container with hot water, and I'm just gonna drop them on in there after I add the extra virgin olive oil, the vinegar, and the dishwashing liquid soap. And I'm using palm olive for this one. No particular reason, I just grabbed that one. You don't have to use this one. You can use any type of dish soap as you want. Now, the vinegar is going to be what's going to be your disinfectant. So you don't have to worry about getting the bacterial soap like the blue Dawn one. If you don't want to use vinegar, you can use the blue Dawn antibacterial soap, and that will help kill germs as well. So moving on to the third method that you can do is you're gonna take some extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of dish soap, and you're gonna add it into a bowl. I'm using a styrofoam bowl, and I usually do this with my eye brushes. So I'm going to wet the eye brushes as you saw, and I just wet them in cool water, and then I'm going to use the palm of my hand and swish my brushes around back and forth. This is how painters usually clean their brushes, so I'm doing it that way, and it gets my eyeshadow brushes super duper clean. So I'm just going to go through that and do that for each one of the makeup brushes. Okay, they are all clean. So now I'm going to add some water to the bucket, and then I'm going to drop in some vinegar. Since we did not use vinegar the first time, I'm going to go ahead and add some vinegar to that water and rinse them or swish them around a little bit in that vinegar water. And then I'm just going to rinse them off, grab a little soap, and then I'm going to clean the handles of the brushes as well. I'm going to be using this soap that's specifically for beauty blenders. I received this in an Ipsy bag. You do not have to do this step if you don't want to, and if you do not have a soap like this, you can use Dove soap. Sometimes I like to collect the soaps from hotel rooms because they are super duper concentrated. I'm just going to go ahead and clean each one of the beauty blenders, and then I'm going to give them a good rinse. I rinse them a couple of times, and then I'm going to fill the bucket with warm water again, and then add some vinegar to disinfect the beauty blenders. So I'm going to be using this dry mat and an old towel so that the beauty blenders and my makeup brushes can air dry. So now I'm going to rinse the face brushes that we had soaking for a little bit, and as you can see, they got pretty clean. But for the ones that didn't get clean to my liking, I'm going to be taking that Beauty Blender soap, and I'm just going to be giving them an extra clean and doing the same method, using the palm of my hand to swish them around and just work that soap into each one of the bristles and rinse them off. Now if you don't have this soap, like I said before, you can use any type of concentrated soap. So I'm just going to go through each one of the brushes, rinse them off, and use the soap if I need to. Okay guys, so for my face brushes, I like to rub them around on a towel to get some of that excess water out, and then this way my brushes keep their shape. I'm going to do that for each and every one of my brushes and lay them on a towel so they can air dry right along with the Beauty Blenders. We are all clean. You are a real one if you stayed all the way to the end. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you please try some of these cleaning methods, and I will see you guys in my next one. Please give me a big stinking like and leave a comment and share some of the ways you clean your makeup brushes and what do you use. Thanks for watching.